First, you're gonna want to put your front foot, middle of the board, just like that, yeah. And then put your back foot kind of hanging off, so you get that thick. Then it's gonna flip like that. It's gonna go. And then have it bolts.